Welcome to Mega Top 10s. In this video, we will explore the top 10 largest animals on the planet from various categories. Number 10. The Japanese spider crab. The Japanese spider crab has the largest leg span of any arthropod, 4 meters from claw to claw. The body can grow to a size of 40 centimeters in terms of carapace width, and the whole crab can weigh up to 20 kilograms. The males have the longer chelipeds. In its natural habitat, the Japanese spider crab is an omnivore and feeds on shellfish and animal carcasses and may live up to a whopping 100 years. The crab is orange with white spots along the legs. Despite looking scary, the crab is actually very gentle. Number 9. Green anaconda. The green anaconda is the world's heaviest and one of the longest snakes, reaching 5.5 meters long. More typically mature specimens can range up to 5 meters in length. The females, at around a mean length of 4.6 meters, are generally much larger in adulthood than the male. Numerous historical accounts of green anacondas are reported, often of improbable sizes. Several zoologists note rumors of snakes over 12 meters long. A $50,000 cash reward is offered for anyone who can catch an anaconda 9.1 meters or longer. Number 8. Ocean sunfish. The ocean sunfish, or mola mola, is the heaviest bony fish in the world with a weight of 1,000 kilograms. The species is native to tropical and temperate waters around the globe. It resembles a fish head with a tail, and its main body is flattened laterally. Sunfish live on a diet consisting mainly of jellyfish, but because this diet is nutritionally poor, they consume large amounts to develop and maintain their great bulk. Females of the species can produce more eggs than any other known vertebrate, up to 300 million at a time. Number 7. Chinese giant salamander. The Chinese giant salamander is the largest salamander in the world, reaching a length of 1.9 meters. The Chinese giant salamander feeds on insects, frogs, crabs, shrimp, and fish. It has very poor eyesight, so it depends on special sensory nodes that detect vibration. The female lays around 400 to 500 eggs in an underwater breeding cavity, which is guarded by the male until the eggs hatch after 50 to 60 days later. It is considered critically endangered due to habitat loss and overcollecting, as it is considered a delicacy. Number 6. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest of all living reptiles. It is found mainly in northern Australia. Mature males can exceed 6 meters and weigh more than 1,000 kilograms. This species is the only extant crocodilian to regularly exceed 4.8 meters. Females are much smaller and often do not surpass around 3 meters in length. As the name implies, this species of crocodile can live in salt water. The saltwater crocodile is an opportunistic apex predator capable of taking any animal that enters its territory. Number 5. Polar bear. The largest living land carnivores are the polar bear and the Kodiak bear at around 700 kilograms in weight. Kodiak bears range from 200 to 315 kilograms for females and 360 to 700 kilograms for males. Females are typically about 20% smaller and 30% lighter than males. The polar bear is a marine mammal because it spends many months at sea. It is the only living marine mammal with powerful legs that allow them to run on land. The heaviest polar and brown bear weights recorded were respectively 1,003 kilograms and 1,135 kilograms. Number 4. Elephant seal. The southern elephant seal is the largest carnivore living today at around 4,000 kilograms in weight. This seal's size shows extreme sexual dimorphism, possibly the largest of any mammal, with the males typically 5 to 6 times heavier than the females. While the females average 400 to 900 kilograms in weight and 2 to 3 meters in length, the bulls average 2,200 to 4,000 kilograms and 4.5 to 6 meters. The record-sized bull shot in 1913 measured 6.85 meters long and weighed 5,000 kilograms. Number 3. Giraffe. The giraffe is an African mammal, the tallest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant. Fully grown giraffes stand at 5.5 meters tall, and the tallest recorded male was 5.88 meters. The maximum recorded weight is 1,930 kilograms for an adult male. The giraffe has an extremely elongated neck, which can be over 2 meters in length, which makes up for almost half the animal's vertical height. Giraffes eat the twigs of trees, which are important sources of calcium and protein to sustain its growth rate. Number 2. African bush elephant. The African bush elephant is the largest living terrestrial animal and is larger than the forest elephant. On average, males are 3.3 meters tall at the shoulder and 5.5 tons in weight, while females are much smaller at 2.5 meters tall and 3 tons in weight. The most characteristic features of African elephants are their very large ears, which they use to radiate excess heat, and their trunk with fingers at the end of it. The adults have no predators due to their size, but the calves are vulnerable to lion and crocodile attacks. And number 1, blue whale. At 30 meters in length and 180 metric tons in weight, the blue whale is the largest known animal. The blue whale has some of the largest organs. Its tongue weighs around 2.7 tons, and when fully expanded, its mouth is large enough to hold up to 90 tons of food and water. The heart of the blue whale weighs the same as a Mini Cooper and is the largest known in any animal. Unfortunately, blue whales have relatively small brains. During the summer, the blue whale consumes 40 million krill a day, which is a whopping 1.5 million calories. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe and share. Goodbye.